Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add a members area in Wix at 2026. So what is Wix members area? The members area lets users sign up and log in, access private pages, view profiles and account info, manage orders, bookings or subscriptions, and interact with your sites like comments, forums, and groups. So actually guys, to do that you will need at first to make sure that you already signed into your account on the Wix website, and after I just click on my sites, the option is located on the top left corner, and then just select the site that you want and drag your mouse and click on design sites, the option that's located on the top right corner of the page. So just click it. So now we are forwarded into the Wix website editor, as you can see. Go ahead to the left hand menu and click on add element or the plus icon. Right now, I do want you to scroll with your mouse and click on community, okay? And then go ahead with the members list, click it and drag it to the page that you want and place it. Okay, so you will need to wait until it's added, and after that just go back to add elements, community, login bar, and add the login bar, for example. Okay, so that way Wix automatically adds the login page, sign up page, members profile page, and account page. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.